Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the measurement of mass or weight. To measure the weight of different objects, weight of mango, weight of an apple, weight of rice. We measure the two units, gram and kilogram. To measure the lighter objects, means the weight of an apple, the weight of a coin, weight of two stones, we use the smaller unit as gram. To measure the smaller objects, that means to measure the light object, we use the unit is gram. Gram is written as G. Then next, heavier objects. To measure the heavier object, we use the unit is kilogram. How much kilogram? A bunch of banana, then a pile of books, watermelon. These all are measured in kilograms. That means heavier things are measured in kilogram. For example, the weight of a book, that is measured in gram or kilogram. We used to measure gram. And the weight of your school bag with full of books, that you measured in which unit? We measured in kilogram. And the next one is, read the arrow to find out how much each of the following things weigh. Look at this, the weight of a pencil. How much weight? It is 40. So we can write here 40 gram. And weight of a bird. How much weight? See, the arrow is pointed to 90. This is a weighing balance. Then the weight is 90 gram. Can you say how much this eraser weighs? The eraser weight is 0.20, so 20 gram. Then, what's the weight of a chalk piece? Chalk piece is a light object, so the weight is only 10 gram. Okay, the next one. Next page, page number 151. Take page number 151 and look at this. What do these weigh? A monkey. What's the weight of the monkey? Can you say how much kilogram? Look at this. These weights are 1 plus 1 plus 4. Can you add and say 4 plus 1? 5. 5 plus 1? 6. So the weight of the monkey is 6 kilogram. The next one. The weight of this vegetables here is 1 plus 1 is 2 kilogram. Write down here. These are some weights. Okay. Then, what is the weight of these mangoes? It is, weight of the mango is 1 kilogram. Then, what is the weight of this dog? Yeah, 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. The next one. Put a tick in the boxes for those that weigh more than 1 kilogram. Do you know how much is 1 kilogram? Yes. Have you seen cake, a 1 kilogram cake? Yes. So, according to that, can you say, is it this one weigh more than 1 kilogram? No. Then, what about a cycle? Is it weigh more than 1 kilogram? Yes. What about a hat? Is it weigh more than 1 kilogram? Yes. Is it yes? No. The cat is not weigh more than 1 kilogram. The next one is a mobile phone. Is it weigh 1 kilogram? No. The next one, a safety pin. Is it weigh more than 1 kilogram? No. What about a crocodile? It's weigh more than 1 kilogram. Then a computer, tabletop computer. Yeah, it also weigh more than 1 kilogram. Then 1 carrot. No. Okay. The next question. Pick the heavier one. Which is heavier? A glass full of popcorn or a glass full of milk. Which is heavier? Milk is heavier. Popcorn is lighter. Then a sack full of potatoes or a sack full of cotton. Which is heavier? Potatoes is heavier. A balloon filled with air or a balloon filled with water. Which is heavier? The water is heavier. The next page, page number 152. The next one is, are these objects light or heavy? Decide whether you would weigh them in gram or kilogram. You have to write whether it is gram or kilogram. Slab of chocolate. Is it gram or kilogram? Gram. Sheet of paper. Gram. A suitcase filled with clothes. It is kilogram. Sack of potatoes. Here it is kilogram. An auto rickshaw. The weight of an auto rickshaw is kilogram. And a comb. See, it is lightweight, so gram. A knife. Knife also lightweight, it is gram. A packet of biscuits. Biscuit is lightweighted, isn't it? So we measured in sometimes according to the packet. If it is big packet, it is kilogram. Small packet, we can write it is gram. Okay. I think this one is bigger. Is it bigger? Yes? Okay, you can decide. Okay. Because according to the weight or the size of the packet, we say gram or kilogram. I think this is gram. The next, circle the weight that seems to be correct. A mango, is it 2 kilogram or 200 gram? 200 gram. A brick, brick means you know that we used to build a house. It is gram or kilogram? Kilogram. Needle, gram or kilogram? Gram. Then, a paper cup, is it 12 gram or 12 kilogram? 12 gram, paper cup only. Then, next one, a table, weight of a table, is it 10 gram or 10 kg? Yeah, it may be 10 kg. Rabbit, that you know, rabbit, yes, is it 5 gram or 5 kilogram? It is 5 kilogram. Then a slice of bread, 6 gram or 6 kilogram? 6 gram. Then a monitor, 3 gram or 3 kilogram? It is 3 kilogram. Okay. Next we are going to study measurement of capacity. That means capacity means the amount of liquid contained in a container. For example, the water contained in your water bottle. The milk contained in a glass. So the amount of milk contained in the glass. It is the capacity of the glass. For liquid things we use the measurement that means capacity. For liquid things we say capacity. Okay. Capacity is the amount of liquid contained in a container. For example, the water tank on the terrace. You know how much water can contain? It is the capacity. So, it is. We use 2 units to measure the capacity. The smaller quantities are measured in milliliter and the larger quantities are measured in liter. Smaller quantities are measured in milliliter, ml, and the larger quantities are measured in liter. Look at this, some example. Drops of water, that each one is 1 milliliter. And a spoonful of water, that is 5 milliliter. You know that you take medicine for cough, that is 5 milliliter. A bowl of milk is 200 milliliter. Then the larger quantities. Imagine this one is a big glass. Then this contain like a mug, 1 liter. And this is about 1 liter. And this packet of milk is about 1 liter. And a bucket full of water is about 15 liter. Do these hold more than or less than a liter? Look at this, the filter tank. It contains more than 1 liter. More than 1 liter. Then a cup of tea that contains less than a liter. And wash basin full of water. It contains more than a liter. Okay, so you know how to find 1 liter. See, a packet of milk and a glass of water. It's about 1 liter. Then take your next page. Page number 154. Tick the objects that hold more than a liter and ring those that hold less than a liter. Okay, tick the object. Is it hold less or more? Less. So you can circle. Then is it hold less than or more than 1 liter? More. Is it hold less than or more than 1 liter? I think this can hold more than 1 liter. Then this one. What about this is less than 1 liter. And this one, swimming pool of water. This is hold more than 1 liter. This bucket also hold more than 1 liter. Spoon is hold less than 1 liter. Are these quantities small or large? Decide whether you measure these quantities in milliliter or liter. Page number 154. And today's class is over. Take your notebook and write the notes.